Mushkins, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how we make a few of our best-selling slimes. And this isn't a tutorial from scratch, this is more just a decorating tutorial. If you are looking to make slime from scratch, we have so many different tutorials on our YouTube channel. I will link a few of them in the description of this video. First up, we have Haunted House, and this slime formed part of our Halloween themed restock, and this one was so incredibly popular. We make this slime by taking some clear slime base, and then we add a little drop of black food coloring and then a little dash of this beautiful color shifting pigment that shifts from purple to pearl. So when you stretch this clear slime, once you've added the pigment, it really becomes this beautiful purple black shimmery slime. Next up, we have a jelly slime called Mermaid Dress Up, and this was also actually part of our Halloween themed restock. It is a neon pink jelly slime scented like bubblegum, and we make this neon pink color by adding this beautiful fluorescent neon pink pigment. And then the slime is also topped with some beautiful star-shaped glitters, as well as these hexagonal glitters that just shift in the light as well. They shift from purple to yellow depending on how you hold them in the light, so it's just really beautiful, and they reminded me of mermaid or fish scales, which is why that glitter forms part of this slime. This is one of my favorite slimes we have ever designed, and it formed part of our recent ice cream themed restock. This one is called Unicorn Ice Cream, and it is a candy floss scented icing slime. And the way we make this slime is we take some icing slime base and we divide it into 3 parts, but they are not equally sized, so one part is bigger than the rest, and then you've got one really small part, if that makes sense. And then the biggest part gets colored with some neon pink clay, or you can use some neon pink pigment, and then the next part is colored with a drop of food coloring, some blue food coloring, and then the smallest part is colored with a tiny drop of yellow paint. And the reason why this part is the smallest is because if you add too much of the yellow part, then your end color is not going to be that nice. It's going to be like a brownish color. So when you mix your colors for slime designs, always make sure that you keep the end color in mind. So once you have all your colors mixed, we layer them out like this, and then we add a little slither of some foil, some gold leaf, and then we swirl that into the tub. And then the slime gets topped with a handmade unicorn ice cream themed scoop charm and some colorful shavings. Next, I'll be showing you how we make our best-selling Rocky Road Scoop ice cream slime, and this one also formed part of our ice cream themed restock. You will need a little blob of jelly slime, and we use some brown paint to color that jelly slime into a beautiful chocolate color. And then your icing slime needs to be divided into two parts. One part stays white, and then the other part gets colored with some green and orange paint to create a really yummy cookie color. And then obviously all of our slimes that are scented get scented with some fragrance oils, which I'm not showing off in this video, but this slime has one of the best scents we've ever designed. It's sort of a blend of chocolate, marshmallow, and some nuts, so it smells really, really, really delicious. And then once you've colored all of your colors that you need to color, you put the two icing slime blobs together, and then you swirl the jelly slime like this, and it just creates a really yummy looking effect when you swirl it into the tub. And then this slime also gets a little bit of Java chunks on the side, which represents the nuts in a Rocky Road ice cream, and it just adds a really, really awesome texture to the icing slime. And then once you've swirled that into the tub, the slime gets topped with a few more Java chunks, as well as some beautiful colorful sprinkles, and then obviously a handmade scoop charm as well that looks exactly like Rocky Road ice cream. Next, we have Pumpkin Freezer, and this was also one of our best sellers from our Halloween themed restock. This slime has quite a lot of parts to it, so you will need some icing slime, basic slime, and clay slime, and we swirl this all together to get the yummy Friezo looking effect for this slime. First of all, you take some of your basic slime and you color that with some neon orange acrylic paint to try and get that yummy orange looking color at the bottom of the slime. And then once you've mixed that together, you can mix your icing slime, and that's sort of colored with the same cookie color as the slime before. So we take a little bit of orange paint and green paint, and you mix that all together and you get this really yummy cookie color. One of the best things about this slime is the scent of it. It's scented like warm vanilla and cinnamon, so it just smells really, really delicious. And then once you have all of your different colors mixed, it's time to put it all together. So the basic slime layer goes at the bottom of the tub, and then you swirl the white clay slime and the cookie color icing slime together, and you put that on top of the basic slime in a swirled effect. And then the slime gets topped with a handmade pumpkin charm. If you want to know how I made these pumpkin charms, just refer to our Halloween themed restock video here on YouTube. And then the slime also gets topped with a few brown sprinkles. Unfortunately, this slime isn't available on our website anymore. It was a limited edition Halloween themed slime that we released for Halloween, but you can always take this concept of this slime and design your very own slimes. I love this texture combo of the basic clay and the icing slime. It makes the best bubble pops. And then lastly, we have this beautiful cloud slime called Cake Crumbs. And this was actually part of our birthday party themed slime restock. And it's been doing so well, and it's been available on our website ever since. This is a cloud slime, and the way we make this is we divide our cloud slime into 3 parts. And then one part gets colored with this beautiful neon pink pigment, and then the next part gets colored with blue food coloring, and then the last part gets colored with some purple acrylic paint. And then once you have your 3 vibrant, beautiful colors ready, it's time to assemble it in the container. And the way we do this is you take little pieces of the different colors and you put them all together like I'm showing here. And then you sort of just push it into the tub, and that's how you get that beautiful sort of blobbed effect with the cloud slime. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how we make all of these different best-selling slimes. If you are interested in buying any of them, a few of them are still available on our website, and there will be a direct link to our website in the description of this video. And make sure to use code YouTube for 10% off your entire purchase.